To make a cup of coffee, ensure that the light is green and that there is water in the tank. You'll remove the pod holder, you'll remove the plastic that's in there, and you'll insert the pod. Bear in mind which pod to use first. In this instance it's the white pod, so we'll insert that in there, close the lid, and then we'll select hot water, which is on that dial over there. Switching it over to the right will release hot water, switching it over to the left will release cold water. We'll insert the mug. We'll allow that to fill around 3/4 of the way. And we'll stop that, replace the pod. And we'll flip it to the right again. To turn off the machine, simply toggle that back and you can power it off at the wall. You can empty the drip tray by lifting it up and rinsing it off.